Hello friends, welcome back. In previous video lectures, we have studied Unit First AWT. In this lecture, we are going to study second unit swings, and in this lecture, we are covering introduction to swing features, difference between AWT and swing. Lecture number 13. Introduction to swing. Swing is a largest package in Java. Swing is a set of classes. This provides more powerful and flexible components than are possible with the AWT. In addition to the familiar components such as buttons, checkboxes, and labels, Swing supplies several exciting additions including tabbed panes, scroll panes, trees, and tables. Even familiar components such as buttons have more capabilities in Swing. For example, a button may have both an image and a text string associated with it. Also, the image can be changed as the state of the button changes. In Java, Swing is very largest package which provides more number of classes, more number of methods, vast amount of components are provided in Swing. Unlike AWT components, Swing components are not implemented by platform specific code. Instead, they are written entirely in Java and therefore are platform independent. The term lightweight is used to describe such elements. That is, Swing components are the lightweight components or elements. The number of classes and interfaces in the Swing packages is substantial. Substantial means very large, vast amount of. Swing is the set of packages built on top of the AWT that provides us with a great number of pre-built classes, that is over 250 classes and 40 UI components. These much of classes are provided in Swing. See the class hierarchy of swing components, where swing components are situated. In the previous we have seen AWT class hierarchy: object class, component class, its subclass container number of containers are there, container suppose window, its subclass frame, and frame subclass JFrame. Here starts the swing JFrame, here starts the swing, like this. Or component has a subclass JComponent, and from that all the swing components are started, JComponent, and all the swing components are placed in a javax.swing package. Javax.swing is the largest package in Java. The swing component classes that are shown below are the swing component classes. Class and its description. First one is the abstract button, abstract superclass for swing buttons. Button group encapsulates a mutually exclusive set of buttons. Image icon encapsulates an icon. JApplet, the swing version of applet. JButton, the swing push button class. JCheckbox, the swing checkbox class. JComboBox encapsulates a combo box. It is a combination of drop down list and text field. JLabel, the swing version of a label. J radio button, the swing version of a radio button. J scroll pane encapsulates a scrollable window. J tabbed pane encapsulates a tabbed window. J table encapsulates a table based control. J text field, the swing version of text field. J tree encapsulates a tree based control. These are the some of the swing components. The swing related classes are contained in javax.swing package and its sub packages such as javax.swing.tree. These are the packages like this. This is a swing family tree or class hierarchy. Object class is situated in a package java.lang, and after that component container class. Containers or component subclass is the J component, and from that all the swing classes are defined: JApplet, JPanel, JFrame, like this. Here starts our swing package. This is the class hierarchy or swing family tree. Next, swing features. Swing is the largest package which provides more number of classes, methods, functions like this. So it has some advanced features. Besides the large array of components in Swing and the fact that they are lightweight, Swing introduces many other innovations. First feature, borders. We can draw borders in many different styles around components using the set border method, and it is not possible in AWT. And here set borders method is provided. By using this method we can draw different style around components. Second feature, graphics debugging. We can use set debugging graphics options method to set up graphics debugging, which means among the other things that you can watch each line as it's drawn and make it flash. Third, easy mouseless operation. It is easy to connect keystrokes to components. Tooltips feature. We can use the set tooltip text method of J component to give components a tooltip, one of those small windows that appear when the mouse hovers over a component and gives explanatory text. That is called the tooltips, and it is set by using the set tooltip text method. Next, easy scrolling. We can connect scrolling to various components, something that was impossible in AWT. Next feature, pluggable look and feel. We can set the appearance of applets and applications to one of three standard looks: Windows, Motif, Unix, or Metal standard swing look. Like this, pluggable look and feel can be provided in Swing. Next feature, new layout managers. Swing introduces the box layout and overlay layout managers. Next is the difference between Swing and AWT. One of the difference between AWT and Swing is that when we redraw items on the screen of AWT, the update method is called first to redraw the item's background, and programmers often override update method to just call the paint method directly to avoid flickering. In Swing, On the other hand, the update method does not redraw the item's background because components can be transparent. Instead, update just calls paint method directly. Here, see the differences between AWT and Swing. Basis of differentiation: Java AWT, Java Swing. First is the platform dependency. AWT components are dependent on the nature of the platform. Meaning of this, they are platform dependent. And in Swing, Swing components are platform independent. Java Swing components are not dependent on the nature of the platform. They are purely scripted in Java. Weightiness: a AWT component is heavyweight in character. Here in Swing, mostly lightweight. Swing components are designed to sit atop AWT components and perform their tasks. These components are generally lightweight as they do not need any native OS objects for implementing their functionality. JFrame and JDialog are considered to be heavyweight as they possess a peer. Therefore, components such as JButton, JTextArea, etc. are considered to be lightweight as they do not maintain any OS peer. Pluggable look and feel: AWT components are non-supportive of pluggable feel and look. In Swing, Java Swing components offer support to pluggable feel and look. Java Swing API contains classes such as JButton, JTextField, JRadioButton, JCheckbox, JTextArea, JMenu, JColorChooser, etc. that add further functionality to the objects being drawn. Number of components: AWT components are less in number comparison to the Swing components. Java Swing components are more comparing to the much more in number. They are represented by lists, scroll panes, tables, tabbed panes, color choosers, etc. MVC architecture: AWT doesn't support the MVC architecture, or MVC model view controller model is not followed by AWT components. Swing follows the MVC model. Stands for: the AWT full form is Abstract Window Toolkit. The Swing components in Java are also referred to as JFC's Java Foundation classes. Package required: AWT components need the java.awt package, and Swing components in Java need the javax.swing package. Advanced feature: the advanced features depicted by Swing components are not present in AWT components. Swing components depict several advanced features such as JTable, JTabbed pane, etc. These advanced features are specific only to Swing components. Presence of peers: there are 21 peers in AWT components. There exists one peer for each control, and there is one peer for the dialog itself. Peers are in the form of agents offered by operating system. They may be a button object or specific entry field object. Only one peer is present in Swing in the form of the operating system's window object. The entry fields, buttons, etc. are developed by the Swing package directly onto the drawing surface offered by the windowing object. Swing possesses more codes. Because of this very reason, the button and their behavior have to be implemented separately. The most operating system cannot be relied upon to perform these functions. Functionality: AWT components serve as a thin layer of coding that lies atop the OS. Swing components are much larger and offer higher levels of functionality. Implementation: many features functions of AWT components have to be implemented by the coder. Swing components provide inbuilt functions for their performance. Memory space: AWT components require and occupy larger memory space. Swing components do not occupy as much memory space as AWT components. Speed of execution: AWT components are slower than swing components in terms of performance. Swing in Java is faster than AWT in Java. So friends, in this lecture we have studied introduction of swing components, features of swing family tree, difference between AWT and swing. Next, JApplet. JApplet is the applet version of swing. Fundamental to swing is the JApplet class, which extends applet. Applets that use swing must be subclasses of JApplet. JApplet is rich with functionality that is not found in applet. For example, JApplet supports various panes such as the content pane, the glass pane, and the root pane. When adding a component to an instance of JApplet, do not invoke the add method of the applet. Instead, call add method for the content pane of the JApplet object. And this is done by using the syntax like this: container get content pane method. By using this method, we can obtain the content pane for the JApplet. The add method of container can be used to add a component to a content pane, and its syntax is void add component. Here COMP is the component to be added to the content pane. Like this, you can use the JApplet for performing the swing programming or swing related task. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you.